Imagine what would happen if an engine emerged that could shake up the entire automobile industry. This isn't a simple upgrade, it's a direct warning to car companies around the world. Elon Musk has once again made a move that has stunned everyone. People say the EV race has just begun, but Tesla may have created a motor that could end at a motor that roars quietly, yet delivers such tremendous power that rival companies will struggle to keep up. The question now is, how did this happen? And what happens next? Is Tesla really about to dominate the world with this new motor? Or will another company strike back? This story isn't just about technology, it's about the future. And the name of that future is Tesla's game-changing motor. What makes it so special? Why is it so powerful? And why do experts say it's nearly impossible to compete with? You'll find out all of this in today's video. And the biggest secret, the one that will keep you hooked until the end, is that this motor isn't the end for Tesla, but the beginning of a new era. So stay tuned till the end, because what you're about to hear might just change your perspective. And yes, before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Tesla's new leap. Tesla's story is nothing short of a science fiction film. For years, Elon Musk and his team have consistently introduced ideas that astonish the world. Once upon a time, the concept of electric cars was considered a joke, but Tesla turned that joke into reality for everyday people. Then came autopilot, the self-driving system that gave cars a brain. And now Tesla has made another breakthrough that has car companies around the world worried. This is called Tesla's new leap, and its name is the carbon-wrapped rotor. It may sound technical, but the idea is actually simple and fascinating. The carbon-wrapped rotor, Tesla's true game changer. Whenever we talk about electric cars, the motor is everything. It converts battery power into motion, into the speed and performance we feel on the road. But every motor has its limits. Until now, all electric car manufacturers face the same problem: overheating, breakdown at high speeds, limited performance. When a traditional electric motor spins too fast, its metal parts expand due to heat and pressure. This causes wear and tear and sometimes total failure. That's why most motors can't go beyond 15,000 to 16,000 revolutions per minute. And that speed limit has been the biggest challenge for the entire industry. Now comes Tesla's new motor, built around its carbon-wrapped rotor. Instead of wrapping the rotor in metal, Tesla uses carbon fiber, a material that's extremely lightweight yet stronger than steel. It can withstand intense heat, resist pressure, and doesn't crack or deform. As a result, Tesla's motor can spin up to 20,000 revolutions per minute without breaking or overheating. Imagine this: while other companies struggle at 16,000 revolutions per minute, Tesla has already reached 20,000. That's not just a technical number, it's a performance revolution. The faster the motor spins, the higher the torque, which means quicker acceleration. Tesla claims that its new cars can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Even supercars like Bugatti and Lamborghini, costing millions, can't match that. But Tesla's advantage isn't just speed. When other motors generate more power, they drain the battery faster, reducing range. Tesla's carbon-wrapped rotor changes that. Because it's lighter and more efficient, less energy is wasted. This means longer battery life, greater driving range, fewer charging stops. You get both speed and reliability, a combination no one else has achieved. It's also more durable. Regular motors wear out after years of use, but Tesla's new design is built to last with lower maintenance costs. And since it requires fewer rare metals, it's also cheaper to produce. That gives Tesla both a technological and cost advantage. Now think about it: when customers can get speed, long range, and durability in one car, why would they look anywhere else? That's why experts say Tesla's carbon-wrapped rotor is a wake-up call for the entire industry. While giants like Ford, GM, and Toyota are still refining old designs, Tesla has already entered a completely new era. This isn't a minor upgrade. It's a revolution. Tesla is not just making cars faster, it's reshaping the future of the automobile industry. A new level of performance and efficiency. When we think of speed, we think of supercars: Bugatti, Ferrari, Lamborghini. Speed is their identity. But now, Tesla has achieved something no one thought possible: an electric car running on neither petrol nor diesel that outperforms the world's fastest supercars. Yes, Tesla's new motor can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That sounds unbelievable, but it's real. But now, Tesla has achieved something no one thought possible: an electric car running on neither petrol nor diesel that outperforms the world's fastest supercars. Yes, Tesla's new motor can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That sounds unbelievable, but it's real. Even the Bugatti Chiron, often called the king of speed, does it in around 2.3 seconds, while the Lamborghini Aventador takes about the same. Tesla has achieved what only multi-million-dollar petrol supercars could, and done it silently, without exhaust, engine roar, or fuel. But the real wonder isn't just speed, it's efficiency. Usually, the faster a car goes, the quicker its battery drains. That's why performance EVs often sacrifice range for power. Tesla's new carbon-wrapped rotor solves this problem entirely. It's so lightweight and efficient that almost no energy is wasted, converting every bit of electricity into usable power. The result: faster acceleration, longer battery life, and greater range. Drivers no longer need to fear that going fast will leave them stranded with a drained battery. Whether cruising at high speeds or traveling long distances, Tesla's motor delivers consistent performance. No more compromise between speed and range. Tesla gives you both: reliability, longevity, and trust. Because the new motor has fewer moving parts and generates less heat, it doesn't need complex cooling systems. That means fewer chances of failure and lower maintenance costs. When something is reliable and durable, customers trust it. And that's exactly what Tesla is building. With this innovation, Tesla offers the speed of a Lamborghini and the efficiency of a Toyota hybrid, all in one package. Other companies still choose between speed or range. Tesla has achieved the perfect balance of both. That's why experts say Tesla's new motor will not only change the auto industry, it will change the very way people think about driving. Electric cars are no longer just environmentally friendly. They're now the most powerful, fastest, and most efficient vehicles in the world. Tesla has officially ushered in a new era of performance and efficiency, and for now, it stands unmatched. Without exhaust, engine roar, or fuel. But the real wonder isn't just speed, it's efficiency. Usually, the faster a car goes, the quicker its battery drains. That's why performance EVs often sacrifice range for power. Tesla's new carbon-wrapped rotor solves this problem entirely. It's so lightweight and efficient that almost no energy is wasted, converting every bit of electricity into usable power. The result: faster acceleration, longer battery life, and greater range. Drivers no longer need to fear that going fast will leave them stranded with a drained battery. Whether cruising at high speeds or traveling long distances, Tesla's motor delivers consistent performance. No more compromise between speed and range. Tesla gives you both: reliability, longevity, and trust. Because the new motor has fewer moving parts and generates less heat,